In this project, we use graphical programming and regard reed switch module and magnet as a switch to control the on and off of LED. First, let's do the Y connection according to the connection diagram. Connect negative of the reed switch to ground, positive to VCC, S to D3. Connect negative of the LED to ground, positive to VCC, S to D6. Finally, connect this board to computer with a USB cable. After Y connection is done, open Arduino IDE, click Tools, for board select Arduino Uno, for port select COM6. Then click Add to Block, select Open, click Desktop. Select projects and 18 from our supporting files, and finally you can see the graphical programming. Click Upload to Arduino and you can see the program is uploaded. After it is done, you can see the LED is on. When you're placing a magnetic iron near the reed switch, the LED is off, but the LED on the switch turns on. Test is now complete. Thank you.